Horses out, we have purple ribbon, pass to begin, and on the outside is Blood Joe, and in third comes Madame Teresa, and trailing the group is Port Alamo. Going along for the first turn, we have purple ribbon, and on the outside is Blood Joe. For the lead, 3 lengths away in third is Madame Teresa. Running by the port is Port Alamo. We've got Plojo. Down on the inside is Purple Ribbon. And 3 lengths away in third, Madame Teresa. Down on the inside, Port Alamo. We've got Plojo by our length. Down on the inside is Purple Ribbon. And 4 lengths away in third now, Port Alamo, Madame Teresa. Plojo is on the outside. Once again, down on the inside is Purple Ribbon to take the lead. Purple Ribbon now by our length and a half. Plojo in second, Port Alamo in third, and Madame Teresa is still in fourth. As they come down at the last 150, we have Purple Ribbon. Now he strides away by about 6 lengths. Plojo moving up by the Port Alamo, Madame Teresa. Last 75 meters. The 2011 PCSO Special Maiden Race belongs to Purple Ribbon. Second, Port Alamo, Plojo, Madame Teresa.
Alright, so it's 1-4-3-5 yung nagamadaling Purple Ribbon ang ating tumoy ng finish line with Donna Raquel Jr.